What is going on, people? Welcome to the vlog. We are here at Farley Golf Course. We brought you back here to the golf course, people. I know this is a skipping channel and you're probably expecting skipping content, but I brought my boy Nathan here. We're just having some fun. He's just reached 50k, 57k actually, right?
That's
57k on YouTube. Well done, man, well done.
Thank you.
We've just hit 150k, so we're just coming here, having a bit of fun, hitting some balls. And also got a nice cool announcement as well, man. Like, you guys have seen that I've been getting into my golf, really enjoying it. It's really helping my mind, my mental health, just getting away from social media. And funny enough, we want to put more golf content on social media. So I'm thinking of doing a golf channel just for my own personal fun's sake. And Nathan and I are just going to be filming with my instructor, Shane, who you'll meet very soon. And we're going to have some fun, man. So hopefully you guys like it. Drop me a like, a comment down below as well. Also, if you guys are playing golf and if you would be interested in checking out my new channel, which I'm thinking of calling Rush Golf. So that's gonna be on the horizon. Listen, just sit back, enjoy this cool little edit come out from Nathan, and yeah, enjoy some cool golf shots. You know what, it's pretty cold, man. I need to get my woolly hat, bro.
And a jumper.
We're gonna buy a jumper inside the shop, right?
Okay.
But
Go get your hat.
let me go get my hat. All right. Any of you keen golfers out there wondering, like, why are you wearing joggers, Rush? Like, it's not golf attire. We're just coming to film. My instructor Shane has said, because we're filming and because I'm super cool, I can wear what I want today. But normally I do have proper golf attire. So we're gonna go buy a jumper inside. I'm gonna put on a hat because it's super cold right now in the UK. It's probably about 8 degrees right now. Nathan's gonna be freezing his balls off as well. So drop a big like for that as well, man, because we're really cold out here. We're trying to get some cool content for you lot. That's another thing as well, man. If you guys let me know if you're playing golf and if you'd be interested in some golf wear from RA or Rush Golf, whatever we call it, then let me know, man. It'd be super cool. Super cool to know if you guys like your golf garms. We'll get it done for you. What do you think of the new t-shirt, Nathan?
What do I think of the t-shirt?
Yeah.
It's
New colourway, man. Mint green.
It's a bit tropical.
It's a bit summery.
It's not very November-y.
Well, we're testing some samples, man. We've got some really cool, nice lounge gear coming out. Introducing some colours, some creams, some greens. I don't know.
New stuff, bro.
Hopefully you like it.
Wait, no one steals your clubs out here?
Better not. Well,
Is it golf etiquette to not steal somebody's clubs?
man, I've heard some stolen club stories before, but this club's kind of cool. Farley's a good golf course, man. If you guys are close in the area and want a round, let me know as well in the comments.
Feel how nice and comfy that is, bro.
Mate, I would wear this like to a 80s hip-hop party or something.
Yeah, but it's out there.
It's retro.
This is not going to keep you warm today.
Do you know what? I'd be questioning if somebody turned up with that on. I'd be questioning whether that's proper.
That's part of the. It's part of the retro.
Well, this is the thing now.
retro
Now
stuff. Yeah.
they're taking it.
To be honest, I would wear that. I'd have no problem wearing that.
I know you.
Steve's like, no, this is not. This is not
This
true
is not.
golf.
I'm Mr. Conventional.
Yeah.
Quite a large.
Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, this fits.
Yeah,
This
you don't
is
want
nice,
bigger
bro.
than that.
This is probably like 150. Right, people, hopefully you can hear me. Kind of windy out here. We are on hole 1 at Farley. There are 3 9 holes. So we're just going to do a couple of holes today with my guy Shane.
How we doing, guys? You good?
Shane is top coach here at Farley. Been training me up. Just to give you a bit of stats, I started the year as a 18, 19 handicapper, and right now officially we're looking at about 7 on the app apparently.
Yeah.
Which I don't believe, but 7 handicap's kind of good if you follow golf. We're gonna just like hit a few shots. You up for that?
Yeah, absolutely.
He's
yeah.
kind enough to kind of join me today. We're just testing really the camera equipment, the sound, the shot trace out with Nathan, and you're gonna get some boss edits today, right?
Hope so.
Yeah. All right.
So here we are, number 1 blue at Farley Golf Club. It's a dog leg right, par 4. It's about 430 yards. So if you look down the fairway there, you can see you've got your 2 fairway bunkers. It's nice and straight there. You want to hit the tee shot just over there, and then after that, it's about 200 yards going in towards the green. So nice little dog leg right, par 4 to start off with. Today it's a bit breezy. We got the wind against us, but we'll see how we go there today.
Shot. huge. Hear the sound of that compared to the sound of mine? That's pro level, man.
Just missed the ferry on the left-hand side. As you can see, we're not too bad. We've got the tree in front of us just on the right, so pretty clear shot. We'll get the laser out and have a look what our yardage is.
So we're kind of playing off the yellows today, guys, because why are we playing off the yellows?
It's just winter time.
It's just winter time, so white tee boxes are out of commission right now. But this guy bombs it, so he's run out a little bit of fairway, hits a big draw. He's got the laser out. How far you got?
I've got 190 in.
190. What do you normally take with 190?
190 is normally a good, probably like a 7-iron. But
Solid.
today with the wind and that, we're probably just going to knock down a little 6.
Little 6-iron. Okay, let's set it up. Let's see the shot. It's on the money, man. Right at it.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'll
Shot.
take that, eh?
What a shot. All right, hit a good tee shot. Wind helped it get around the corner, which is good. Got 157 yards. We're going to use, for me, I'll probably use probably about an 8-iron. A good 8-iron should get me there, hopefully.
Nice. Good. Yeah. Yeah, great shot. Easy game, man.
Mate, getting some good luck with you being here today, man. That was a good shot. We'll take that. All right, both landed on the green. Shane's, which was yours? The first one?
Yeah, I'm just a little bit outside of you.
To be fair, he's got a putt first. We've got a couple of birdie putts. Surprising for me, considering I'm not even that good on this hole. But we'll take it, right?
Oh, look at this guy. Nice putt. I'll take it. Stay up.
No!
Stay up. Same as mine. You go for it,
That was a bad putt, man. Bit cold the hands. I'm gonna try and just sink this now.
Solid. Very good.
To be fair, if I missed that, we're looking at 4 putts.
Good 2
All right.
pars to start off with.
2 pars to start off with. We're getting to the second hole now. Shane will take you through that one.
Right, so here we are. We've jumped ahead. Instead of going down the second, because there's some guys ahead, as we've jumped onto the 7th on the blue here. It's a nice little short par 3. It's about 110 yards today, downwind. So we're looking at maybe a little soft wedge between us. So we'll see how it goes.
You good on the camera, bruv?
A little bit of feedback on this, right, guys? Like, it's pretty tough for Nathan to sort this out. We're trying to figure out the logistics. I'm gonna have to be cameraman B for the day.
Very good.
That was close.
Mate!
Nearly.
The first one.
Nearly a hole in
That's
one.
very good.
Nearly a hole in one. Looked like close, but we'll see when we get there. As you can see, come up to the green. I put it pretty close, man. That's probably about a couple of feet.
Yeah,
somehow close, really close to being a hole in one. That'd have been sweet to get that on camera. Shane's got about, what's that, 15 feet, 10 feet?
About 15, 20 feet, yeah.
It's got about 15, 20 feet for his birdie. I might be able to sneak a little one up on him here. Landed right here. You can see the divot there. It somehow landed there, and it's ended up
On the other side of
on the other side of the flag. So it would have rolled pretty close to the hole. So I'll take that. I like the weight. I like the weight. That's in the heart, isn't it? So Shane's got to head off. He's got a training session.
Got some other people I've got to coach now.
Yeah, he's got some other superstars to create. I'm just bigging myself up. All right, man. But we'll do this again, right, mate?
Yeah, absolutely.
We're gonna do this again. You guys, check his workout. Shane, you might as well plug yourself here, man.
Johnson Shane at golf. Otherwise, oh yeah, YouTube channels Johnson Shane Golfs. All right, sweet guys. Peace out. Cheers.
Peace.
Thanks, boy.
All right, peace. We have skipped now to hole 8. Shane's gone back to do some training. We're playing this hole 8, which is like huge. It's a par 4. It's 468 yards from the yellows. We're gonna try and get there probably in 3. We'll try and hit a good drive. Let's see how it goes. Oh no! That was a terrible shot. All right, that was really bad. Kind of came off high on the face, went fucking up to Saturn and back. That's gone nowhere. Pretty disappointed with that shot. That literally went nowhere. Maybe not even 200 yards. We're getting into the wind as well. Got a monster second shot into the green now. You won't be able to even see it on camera, but the goal is to try and play this as a par 5. It's a par 4, but I'm happy to take a bogey. So I'm gonna take my 2-iron and just get it up there in the fairway. This is a massive hole.
Sorry to interrupt the video. Editor Nathan here. I just want to apologise for the next tracer shot. Still learning this one. This one's a bit skew-if, but you know, we learn, we move on. Hopefully it's better next time.
Never thought we'd see this happen, man. Nathan and Rush Athletics on the golf course. I'm having fun, man. I'm having fun. Hopefully you guys are having fun watching this video.
You're on for par here, bruv.
No, I've got a hard shot here now, so I've got to. Let me give you the camera. Okay, third shot in. I'm going to try and get up and down, which basically means we're going to try and get on the green, putt it out, get the par. As I said, I'm always trying to get 5 shots here. I'll take the bogey and just get off this hole because it's super, super long. So right now I'm going to take a little sandwich, bump it up there, get it close to the hole. Sit, slow down. Difficult little putt, downhill. It's going to turn a little bit. Nathan, you can get a good angle on this one. All right. Take the bogey. That's pretty much what I knew was going to happen, to be fair. All right, last hole, guys. Short, snappy little testing for this golf vlog. Hole 9 on the blue, par 5. Kind of goes around a bit to the right. We're just going to aim trying to get on the fairway. Got a big stick in the hand. Let's try and let it rip.
And here we find a lost Rush trying to find his ball.
All right, found the ball just on the top of the mound. Hit a kind of booming slice with this wind. Just gonna try and get it out there, back on the fairway. Got a 6-iron in hand. 65 yards. It is so windy out here, guys, man. I'm hoping you've heard anything, at least a couple of words that we've said today, but it's so windy. That's why we're out here testing. But got 65 yards to this pin. It is guarded by a few bunkers. I'm gonna take a sand wedge, strong sand wedge, get through this wind, hopefully get on the green. All right, found myself in the bunker just by the green. Really bad shot, hit it kind of chunky. So we've got a little sand shot here. I'm not really great at sand shots. We'll see if this actually comes off. Oh, shit. So bad. Alright, so binned that shot, clean balled it, it's gone to the back of the green. That was shocking. I told you I was bad at sand shots, man. That's super annoying. Just missed it. That would have been for, I think, a bogey. So double bogey on this hole. Yeah, we're done. All right, guys. So just made it back to the clubhouse. Finished our 4 holes. Hopefully you found it fun, man. I double bogeyed the last hole, which was just bad. It's got 7. So ultimately started par, birdie, bogey, double bogey. So that's where I'm at, man. I run about 7 handicap. Usually needs an extra 7 shots or so on a whole round of 18. But yeah, we're gonna go inside, get a drink or so, celebrate your 50k.
And your 150k.
Big up for that, by the way, yeah. And yeah, man, we're just gonna try and fix this edit up, see where the vlog goes, and we'll take you along for the ride as always. Right, folks, we're back at the HQ now. It is, I haven't got a watch, somewhere between 4 and 5 p.m. Nathan's working on edits, trying to figure out this shot tracer thing. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Again, very, very different. Don't be alarmed, people, man. I'm not converting to golf. I'm not forgetting the skipping. I'm not forgetting Rush Athletics. This is just a passion project for me, man. I'm just having fun playing golf, and hopefully you'll get a chance to go to different golf courses, get some cool vlogs, and meet some really cool people along the way, because I'm hoping to do some really cool collabs, and you guys can get to know new personalities on maybe another channel, mine, a golf channel, or even on Rush Athletics. We'll do some vlogs. So Nathan here has been editing, been having fun. You've been having fun with edit, bruv?
A lot of edit.
Yeah?
A lot of edit, a lot of fun.
A lot of edit,
There's a lot to edit.
It's been tricky. It's been tricky for him. So big up to Nathan, man. I hope you guys, again, are just liking this new freshness, like first golf vlog. And yeah, for me, like golf, just quickly without boring you, man, like the reason why I do really love it, guys, is it's just, you just get into your mind, man. It's like, I'm so competitive, and now that I've stopped playing football and things like that, it's just, a competition between yourself. When you're on the course, the ball's still, you're against the course, you're against yourself, you're just trying to improve every single day. And I'm addicted to try and get better and better. So yeah, that's where I'm at with golf. It's just something that gives me a bit of peace of mind, and yeah, get to see nature, just have a nice walk around and just get some fresh air here and there. So just cuts up the day, man. Like, it's very stressful and very busy around the HQ and around the business and social media. So hope you guys appreciate what we're doing for you, trying to get some freshness, and yeah, let's get back to the vlog. From golf to cakes.
Macarons.
Should we show them the cake you're making? Let's open this box. Do you mind?
No, you're not breaking.
I don't want to break the cake you made.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Little birthday cake. No, she's got Nathan. He's supposed to be working on my
It's for an
edit.
8-year-old's party.
I'll give your Instagram plug here. Float cakes. Anyone want some cakes done? Big sis will sort it out. Pickup is here. Tried to get as much done as I could. Always fighting times. What's going on, Dale? What's happening, you alright? You YouTube friendly, Dale. Say what's up to the family, man.
What's happening?
This is my main guy, man. He comes collect on Thursdays, Dale.
What you recording? Yeah.
Yeah. You're not wanted for anyone. No one's looking for you. Or anything,
Nah. I'm not on the run. Don't worry.
That's right, man.
It's all good.
How you like collecting for Russia Flex, man? I'm gonna give these guys some feedback on my
Yeah, you're always good.
personal traits.
Is he a good customer?
Am I on time?
He is always on time.
That's it, man. Sometimes I give them some gifts as well.
Are you still waiting on that gift from last year, no?
I owe him some Koppenberg. You get
Done,
you get double the cases this year, man.
All right, then that's good.
How's your Russia Flex socks, man?
Yeah, they're good. They're good. If you ain't got them, go get them.
Nice little
You
plug
heard
there.
it here from the postman.
What a guy. Right, catch yourself on YouTube tonight. Alright. It's been a cool, fun day. Just got all the orders done. Bit of admin. Nathan's been killing the edit today. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. And remember, people, man, this is about lifestyle, man. I'm just trying to document my journey, document my life. And I'm blessed, I'm super blessed to come from where I've come from, working in the office, feeling like I'm strangled with time, feeling like I'm not doing what I want to be doing, to now being able to take guys like Nathan on the course to create you boss golf edits. I don't know how the hell we ended up here, bruv.
Nor do I.
It's been a long journey, man. It's been a long journey, and I am super proud. I'm super proud of like where we've come with this channel and the brand and the following, people like you who follow us and watch us and support, keep us busy, and it allows me to do things like this, which is just enjoy life to its fullest. So people, I want you guys to do the same. I want you to go out there, crush it, follow those dreams, and enjoy what you're doing, man. That's the main thing. If you're not enjoying what you're doing, then work hard in the background and get to doing that, because that's what you need to be doing in life. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, man. We're gonna be doing more vlogs on the golf course. Remember, drop me a comment, let me know if you like this one. Otherwise, I'm gonna create a new channel and not do it on this channel. But I'll see you in the next one. So take care of yourself. Skip the channel. No, there wasn't a skipping tutorial. We can't do that. We can't do that intro. Cut that intro. Cut that intro. I'll see you in the next video, man.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.